Welcome back to 91 Gearbox. Today we are diving into one of the most iconic luxury sedans ever created, the BMW 7 Series, a car that has always represented the very top of BMW engineering, design, and innovation. From world leaders to business tycoons, the 7 Series has long been the choice for those who demand comfort without sacrificing performance, and that balance is exactly what makes this car so special. From the very first generation, BMW designed the 7 Series to compete with the best luxury cars in the world, and over the decades it has continuously raised the bar. Every generation introduced new technology that later became standard across the entire automotive industry. Features like advanced driver assistance systems, cutting-edge infotainment, and premium materials often made their first appearance in the 7 Series before trickling down to other models. This car has always been BMW's technology showcase, and that legacy continues today. The exterior design of the BMW 7 Series has evolved dramatically over the years, but one thing has remained constant: its commanding presence. Whether it's the classic elegant lines of older models or the bold and futuristic look of the latest generation, the 7 Series is impossible to ignore on the road. The long wheelbase, sharp details, and signature kidney grille give it a sense of authority that perfectly matches its flagship status. It's not a car that needs to shout, yet it effortlessly demands respect. Step inside the cabin, and this is where the BMW 7 Series truly separates itself from the competition. The interior is designed around luxury, comfort, and technology working together seamlessly. High-quality leather, real wood or aluminum trims, ambient lighting, and exceptional sound insulation create an environment that feels more like a private lounge than a car. Rear seat passengers are especially treated like VIPs, with executive seating options, massage functions, and large entertainment screens turning long journeys into a relaxing experience. But make no mistake, the BMW 7 Series is not just about comfort. Under the hood, it has always offered a range of powerful engines, from smooth inline-6 units to mighty version 8s, and in some generations even a V12. These engines deliver effortless performance, allowing the car to accelerate with surprising speed despite its size. The driving experience remains distinctly BMW, with precise steering, balanced handling, and a sense of control that makes the 7 Series feel smaller and more agile than it really is. Modern versions of the BMW 7 Series take things even further with advanced hybrid and fully electric options, reflecting BMW's commitment to the future. Intelligent driver assistance systems, semi-autonomous driving features, and massive curved displays transform the way drivers interact with the car. Yet, despite all this technology, BMW has managed to retain the soul of the 7 Series, a luxury sedan that still puts the driver at the center of the experience. In the end, the BMW 7 Series is more than just a car, it's a statement. It represents success, innovation, and a deep respect for driving pleasure. Whether you're being chauffeured in the back or taking the wheel yourself, the 7 Series delivers an experience that few cars can match. That's why, generation after generation, it remains one of the most respected luxury sedans in the world. This is 91 Gearbox, and we'll see you in the next one.